Welcome to your guardian chef, your angel in the kitchen. Today we are making marble Bundt cake, in Italian called Ciambella Marmorizzata. Made with half vanilla and half cocoa batter, it is perfect for an Italian colazione, as you can dip either end into your caffè latte. Bake it on Sunday and it will last the week, no need to refrigerate. These are the ingredients and the quantities are in the description below. Make sure the butter is at room temperature. First we are making the base batter. Then we will split it in half to make the two different flavours. Sift flour and baking powder together with a fork. Whip the butter with the sugar with an electric mixer until the butter becomes creamy. Add the eggs one at a time, making sure the first one is combined before adding the next one. Gradually add the flour and the milk. Make sure all the ingredients are well combined. The base batter is done. Pour half of the dough into another container. Keep the other half in the mixer bowl. Add the extra flour and the vanilla extract. Mix until they are combined. Coat with butter and flour a round Bundt pan. Pour the vanilla batter into the Bundt pan and smooth it out with a spatula. Pour the other half of the base batter into the mixer and add the cocoa and the sugar. Stir until all the ingredients are combined. Pour the chocolate batter over the vanilla. Spread uniformly with a spatula. Swirl the batters with a knife to create a marble look. Smooth the top with a spatula. Bake in a hot oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 180 degrees Celsius, for 1 hour and 15 minutes. Once the cake is ready, wait 10 minutes before removing it from the pan. With a knife, make sure the edges are detached from the pan. Turn it over and let it cool down completely. Dust it with icing sugar and serve. And there you have your marble Bundt cake, easy to pack for school lunches or picnics. For more cakes that don't need refrigeration, check the playlist above. And don't forget to subscribe. I will eat the chocolate and you can eat the vanilla.